Hi everyone, welcome to GMR Academy. Previous video we have learnt simple tenses and their structures. In this video we are going to learn continuous tenses and their structures. Then Violet, let's begin. Present continuous tense. This tense is mainly used for the actions which are continuing at present at the time of speaking. These continuous actions are allowed at present. This is called present continuous tense. Present continuous tense and its structures. First one, positive statement. Subject plus present B forms. What are they? Am, is, are plus V1 ing plus object. Here am helping verb for subject I, is for singular subject, are for plural subjects. See that subject plus am is are plus V1 ing plus object. Examples. I am playing cricket. What is Telugu meaning? నేను క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నాను. We are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. We are, you are, they are, plural subjects are should be used. మనము క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నాము. నీవు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నావు. వాళ్ళు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నారు. Next, singular subjects. He, she, it, somebody's name. Ramu is playing. She is playing. He is playing. It is playing cricket. అతను క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నాడు. So these are all the positive structures. Let's see negative structures. Subject plus am is are plus not plus V1 ing. Don't add not to am. This is not at all a correct statement. Don't add not to am. We can add not to is, isn't. In the same way, we can add not to are, aren't. Don't add not to am. See the examples. I am not playing cricket. నేను క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ లేను. I am playing cricket. I am not playing cricket. In the same way, we are playing cricket. We are not playing cricket. We aren't playing cricket. We can add not. We aren't playing cricket. You aren't playing cricket. They aren't playing cricket. She isn't. She is not. She isn't. He is not. He isn't. It is not. It isn't. Somebody's name. Ramu isn't playing cricket. So these are all the positives and negatives examples. Let's see interrogatives. How can we frame interrogatives? I have already told you in the previous video. Bring helping verbs first. What are helping verbs here? Am, is, are. These helping verbs first. Then subject follows. For example, I am playing cricket. What is the question form? Helping verb am comes first. Am I playing cricket? In the same way, are we playing cricket or plural? Plural subject we. Are we playing cricket? నీవు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నావా? Are you playing cricket? Question mark. Are they playing cricket? వాళ్ళు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ ఉన్నారా? In the same way, for singular subjects, is she is playing. Question form. Is she playing cricket? Is he playing cricket? Is it playing cricket? Is Ramu playing cricket? These are all the positive interrogatives. Let's see negative interrogatives. Don't add not to am. Am I not playing cricket? I am playing cricket. I am not playing cricket. Am I playing cricket? Question mark. Am I not playing cricket? Aren't we playing cricket? Aren't we? Aren't we playing cricket? Aren't they playing cricket? See, aren't you playing cricket? నీవు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతూ లేవా? నువ్వు క్రికెట్ ఆడడం లేదా? సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. isn't he playing cricket? isn't she playing cricket? isn't it playing cricket? isn't Ramu playing cricket? These are all the negative interrogatives. Next, present continuous tense WH words structures. WH word plus present B forms am, is, are plus subject plus V1 ing plus object. Examples. Why is he talking like that? Why, W word, is helping verb, he subject, talking V1 ing. Why is he talking like that? In the same way, what is she doing? ఆమె ఏమి చేస్తూ ఉంది? When are you playing? Who is she waiting at outside? How are they preparing for exams? How much luggage are you carrying? Which one are you buying? Who are they asking questions? So these are all the examples for WH words in present continuous tense. Past continuous tense. This tense is used for the actions which were continuing in the past. Past continuous tense structures. Positive statement. Subject plus past B forms. What are past B forms? Was or were. Subject plus was or were plus V1 ing plus object. Was for singular subject, were for plural subjects. Let's see the examples. I was reading a story. We were reading a story. I here singular, was reading. We were plural. We plural subject, so were used. We were reading a story. You were reading a story. They plural subject. They were reading a story. He, she, it, some name. These are all the singular subjects, so that she was reading a story. He was reading a story. Ramu was reading a story. నేను చదువుతూ ఉండినాను. తెలుగు మీనింగ్. మనము చదువుతూ ఉండినాము. మనం కథ చదువుతూ ఉండినాము. నీవు కథ చదువుతూ ఉండినావు. అతను కథ చదువుతూ ఉండినాడు. సో కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్, పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. లెట్స్ సీ నెగటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ past B forms was or were plus not. We can say was plus not wasn't, were plus not weren't. Subject plus wasn't or weren't plus V1 ing plus object. Negative structure. Let's see examples. I wasn't reading a story. నేను కథ చదువుతూ లేను. In the past tense, నిన్న మొన్న, like this. We weren't reading a story. You weren't reading a story. They weren't reading a story. He or she, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't reading a story. Some name, John wasn't reading a story. So these are all the positive statements and negative statements. Let's see interrogatives. Positive interrogative. I have already told you, if you want to frame interrogative statements, we should bring helping verbs first. What are helping verbs here? Was or were. So, what is the structure? Was or were plus subject plus V1 ing plus object. Let's see examples. Was I reading a story? Was. Subject I. Was I reading a story? Were we reading a story? Were you reading a story? Were they reading a story? Singular subjects. Was she? Was he? Was it? Some name. Was Ravi reading a story? Was she reading a story? Telugu meanings. Was I reading a story? నేను కథ చదువుతూ ఉండినానా? ఆమె కథ చదువుతూ ఉండినదా? వాళ్ళు కథ చదువుతూ ఉండినారా? So these are all the Telugu meanings. Let's see negative interrogatives. What is the structure? Was plus not wasn't, were plus not weren't. Wasn't or weren't plus subject plus V1 ing plus object. Examples. Wasn't I reading a story? I was reading a story. I wasn't reading a story. Question form. Was I reading a story? Positive question. Negative question. Wasn't I reading a story? Like this. Weren't we reading a story? Telugu meaning. నేను కథ చదువుతూ లేనా, నేను కథ చదువుతూ ఉండలేదా, మనము కథ చదువుతూ ఉండలేదా, మన కథ చదువుతూ లేమా. లైక్ దిస్. వరంట్ యూ రీడింగ్ ఏ స్టోరీ, నీవు కథ చదువుతూ ఉండలేదా. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే, వరంట్ దే రీడింగ్ ఏ స్టోరీ, సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. వాజంట్ షీ రీడింగ్ ఏ స్టోరీ, వాజంట్ హీ, వాజంట్ ఇట్, వాజంట్ రాజు రీడింగ్ ఏ స్టోరీ. Once again, we see the structures. Subject plus was or were plus V1 ing positive statement. Subject plus was or were plus not plus V1 ing negative statement. Question forms. Was or were plus subject plus V1 ing positive question. Negative question. Wasn't or weren't plus subject plus V1 ing. These are all the past continuous tense structures. Let's see past continuous tense WH words structures. WH word plus was or were plus subject plus V1 ing plus object. Examples. How are you preparing for exams? How. WH word. Were. Helping verb. You. Subject. Preparing. V1 ing. In the same way, what were they doing last night? What were they doing last night? Which film was she watching? What was I wearing in the party? Who were they playing at outside? Why were we calling them? These are all the examples for past continuous tense WH words. Future continuous tense. This tense is not like other tenses frequently used. This is rarely used. What is future continuous tense? This tense is used for the actions which will be continuing in the future. Future continuous tense structures. Positive statement. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus V1 ing plus object. Shall or will. Shall for only first person. So first person I and we. We never use shall for second person and third persons. Will for all the subjects. Examples. I shall be touring around the world. Telugu meaning, నేను ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోతూ ఉంటాను. An action which will be a longer period in the future. Continuous sense. We shall be touring around the world or we will be touring around the world. తెలుగు మీనింగ్, మనము ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోతూ ఉంటాము. కంటిన్యూస్ సెన్స్. యూ విల్ బీ టూరింగ్ అరౌండ్ ద వరల్డ్. దే విల్ బీ టూరింగ్ అరౌండ్ ద వరల్డ్. హీ సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. హీ, షీ, ఇట్. హీ విల్ బీ టూరింగ్, షీ విల్ బీ టూరింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ బీ టూరింగ్. సమ్ నేమ్. రవి విల్ బీ టూరింగ్ అరౌండ్ ద వరల్డ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద పాజిటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. Let's see negative statements. Structure. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus V1 ing plus object. Or else won't, will plus not won't, shall plus not shan't. Examples. I won't be touring around the world. We won't be touring around the world. You won't be touring around the world. They won't be touring around the world. He or she. He won't be touring. She won't be touring. It won't be touring. Some name. Krishna won't be touring around the world. Let's see Telugu meaning. I won't be touring around the world. నేను ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోను. మనము ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోము. Like this the meaning. అతను ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోడు. Let's see the interrogatives. Interrogatives, helping verb comes first. Structure. Positive interrogative structure. Will or shall plus subject plus be plus V1 ing plus object. Examples. Will I be touring around the world? Question. Telugu meaning. నేను ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోతానా. Will I be touring around the world? Like this. Will we be touring around the world? Will you be touring around the world? Will they be touring around the world? Will he or else will she or else will it be touring around the world? Some name. Shastri. So will Shastri be touring around the world? వారు ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోతారా? అతను ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోతాడా? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ది పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. లెట్స్ సీ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటరాగేటివ్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్. విల్ ప్లస్ నాట్, వోంట్. షల్ ప్లస్ నాట్, షాంట్. స్ట్రక్చర్ will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus v1ing plus object. Let's see examples. Won't I be touring around the world? Telugu meaning నేను ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోనా? Won't I be touring around the world? Won't we be touring around the world? Won't you be touring around the world? Won't they be touring around the world? వాళ్ళు ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోరా? Won't she be touring around the world? Won't he be touring around the world? Won't it be touring around the world? Raju, some name. Won't Raju be touring around the world? Raju ప్రపంచమంతా ప్రయాణించబోడా? So these are all the negative interrogative structures. Once we see the structures, positive statement subject plus shall or will plus be plus v1ing plus object. Negative statement subject plus shall or will plus not plus be plus v1ing plus object. Positive interrogative structure shall or will plus subject plus be plus v1ing plus object. Negative interrogative structure shan't or won't plus subject plus be plus v1ing plus objects. Let's see future continuous tense WH words structures. WH word plus shall or will plus subject plus be plus v1ing plus object. Some examples. Who will be traveling tomorrow? Who will be traveling tomorrow? Continuous tense. What will you be doing next? What will you be doing? Continuous tense. Where will they be constructing the house? Question. Where will they be constructing the house? How will she be preparing for exams? How will she be preparing for exams? These are all the future continuous tense WH words. Dear children, I hope you understand continuous tense structures. If you want to speak good English, you should learn perfectly tenses and their structures. And next video I'll prepare clearly perfect tenses and their structures, and I request you all to subscribe to my channel GMR Academy, and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates. Like the video and share the video link with your friends. Thank you. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.